Hi, today I want to share another feature of Teams that I discovered during a Teams meeting. I had a subject that really a picture could better depict what I was trying to explain, and discovered the whiteboard in Microsoft Teams. So here, we were talking about distribution lists in Active Directory and Outlook, which were and Office 365 rather, which are the platforms that we use at my school. So I wanted to just kind of share. I'm just going to create a couple of shapes here. And for here, I was explaining that this depicted Active Directory, and this was going to be, let me get this right. Nope, nope, not quite, but anyway, was Azure in the cloud. And we have an Active Directory server on premise. We were talking about distribution lists, and like I was trying to explain that distribution lists are maintained in two locations. And so that's where the picture came into being. And I was going to see if it will let me on ink. Let's see what, okay, so I needed some text. So I described that we had distribution lists, and I'll just put a number currently. Let's just say 50. And our challenge was we were trying to clean these up. And I had to explain we had distribution lists both located in Active Directory on-premise, and there were some in the cloud. And then to take it a step further, I had to explain that the members resided in each of these distribution lists, and they could be anywhere from 20 to 100. So the key was explaining to them that we had to sync these distribution lists that were located on disparate systems. And I just felt that using a whiteboard, even though I had tried to explain it in an email, I don't really felt that it was coming across. My explanation was not very clear. So just being able to draw these pictures while during a meeting very quickly helps provide some additional context to what maybe the meeting might be about. But I just found this tool in Teams, felt it was very useful, and plan to keep using it in the future. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.